Toiletry bags are not just a travel accessory. They're a compact, organized solution that can streamline packing, protect delicate items, and reduce bathroom rack chaos during trips. The category spans budget-friendly, feature-rich options to premium, lifestyle-oriented designs. For this review, we tested 5 bags across a price range of $12.99 to $29.99, focusing on capacity, organization, materials, durability, portability.
Product number 1. BagSmart Toiletry Bag for Men. This BagSmart mid-size dopp kit hits a versatile middle ground with a main cavity plus multiple internal pockets, a front waterproof pocket, and a back pocket with elastic and zippered sections. It's built around a water-resistant shell and a robust dual zipper design for easy access, with a hidden snap closure to prevent zipper snagging. At 5.91 by 2.76 by 2.76 inches as a core dimension note and 9.9 ounces, it's compact enough for carry-ons while offering expandable capacity in its large form, which BagSmart lists as 12.2 inches long by 5.5 inches wide by 7.5 inches high. The bag is designed to function as a shaving kit, cosmetics bag, and general toiletries organizer in one housing. Prospective buyers benefit from the 2 size options, medium and large, that can accommodate varying family needs without lugging multiple bags. Performance-wise, the bag excels in organization and resilience. Water-resistant fabric helps contain splashes from shaving products, while elastic bottle holders keep items upright and reduce leaks due to tipping. The separate compartments, front waterproof pocket and back elastic/zipper sections support a true wet-dry workflow separation, which is particularly valuable for travelers who carry both aerated grooming liquids and sensitive cosmetics. The double zipper design permits access even when the bag isn't fully open, and the hidden snap at the back adds security against accidental opening. Ideal use cases include family trips where multiple travelers share a single bag and scenarios requiring a combined travel grooming kit and small cosmetic organizer.
Product number 2. BagSmart Large Toiletry Bag Travel Bag with Hanging Hook. This BagSmart model prioritizes capacity and hanging versatility, featuring a large 12.6 by 9.1 by 4.3 inch folded footprint and an open spread of 12.6 by 33.5 inches. It offers 4 separate compartments with zippers, plus a back pocket for clear item visibility, plus a 360-degree swivel non-slip hook for flexible hanging. The bag uses water-resistant peach skin polyester and includes padded structure to maintain shape, making it a solid option for long trips and gym routines. Its front-facing pocket and teardrop-shaped organization zones make it easy to locate items quickly, and the transparent sides give a quick, at-a-glance inventory check. In use, the bag shines for travelers who need to pack a lot, families, gym goers, or anyone who wants an all-in-one solution with a dedicated hanging option. The 2-way zipper closer and the ability to hang anywhere, bathroom, hotel room, or locker room, increases convenience. The material and construction support frequent use, and the design accommodates full-size containers. On performance grounds, the bag stands up well under load, holds bottles upright with elastic straps inside, and the separate compartments improve spill containment compared with single compartment. Product number 3. Travel Toiletry Bag, Makeup Bag, Hanging Toiletry Bag for Women, Water-Resistant Cosmetic Bag, Travel Accessories for Women, Men. Aridvit's offering is a large-capacity, lightweight option aimed at a broad audience, combining a hanging strap with 7 inner compartments and a front zipper pocket. It measures 14.2 by 3.9 by 5.9 inches and weighs 6.4 ounces, prioritizing portability while delivering ample organization for full-size toiletries and cosmetics. The external look leans more feminine with a subtle herringbone design and black trim, yet its use case is explicitly versatile for both genders. Its construction relies on waterproof fabric and reinforced edges with smooth zippers, making maintenance straightforward and quick to dry after potential spills. Performance-wise, this bag delivers on practicality. 7 internal compartments plus a front pocket allow categorization of skincare, grooming tools, and cosmetics.
The waterproof interior helps with accidental spills, while the hanging strap enables bathroom-based usage without resting the bag on wet surfaces. The design balances compactness with capacity, so it works well for short business trips or weekend getaways. A potential downside for some users is the relatively modest exterior dimensions that may limit fit for larger, bulkier items, though the internal layout compensates with smart dividers.
Product number 4. BagSmart Travel Toiletry Bag. This premium BagSmart model positions itself as a large-capacity, wide-open travel bag with a distinctive puffer fabric, taslin, finish, and a soft tactile feel. At 11.8 by 7.3 by 8.3 inches and 15.8 ounces, it balances heft with generous capacity. It features 4 compartments, an easy full-open top, a 2-side arrangement that helps items stand upright in the middle compartment, and a waterproof front pocket for wet-dry separation. The design emphasizes both fashion and function, with a dark pink color and a plush exterior that is easy to handle and visually appealing for travelers who want style alongside utility. In practice, the bag shines when you need quick access and clear separation of items, as the full opening eliminates digging and piling. The ability to keep bottles upright reduces spill risk, while the waterproof PVC front pocket aids in wet item separation. The puffy exterior provides a softer grip and reduces the chance of snagging on other luggage, which can be advantageous during airport handling and travel. However, the plush fabric may require more careful cleaning and may attract lint more readily than harsher fabrics. It's an excellent choice for fashion-conscious travelers who still demand practical organization.
Product number 5. BagSmart Toiletry Bag for Men. This BagSmart Canvas Dopp Kit emphasizes rugged, versatile styling with a large 12.2-inch long by 5.5-inch wide by 7.5-inch high capacity and a balanced mix of front elastic band organization, 2 side zipper pockets, and a back waterproof zip pocket. The leather-handled design element adds a touch of durability and classic style, and the canvas material is typically forgiving in wear and tear. The bag presents a strong value proposition at $19.99, bridging the gap between compact organizers and more feature-rich options. Performance-wise, this bag excels in keeping items orderly and accessible, thanks to elastic bands that secure brushes or small tools and a separate waterproof pocket for damp items. The 2 side zip pockets and back waterproof pocket enable efficient separation of toothbrushes, razors, and grooming tools, making it suitable as a multi-purpose travel organizer, shaving kit, or even a compact cosmetics bag for lighter trips. The material choice, canvas with water resistance, emphasizes durability and a casual aesthetic, appealing to travelers who prioritize rugged practicality over sleek luxury.